Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's mothers were meant to nurture a generation, not destroy it. Oppah Muchinguri, who once claimed the mantle of freedom, now mirror the oppressor she once fought. Power is borrowed. Justice will return to collect its debt. The people are watching, and the truth has found its voice. Sabina mashukuru kuda panguva inatogwa nakirina mjati. Panguva ine vakomana toona kuti these guys very serious. Havasi kana kutombodza nezvezvigananda. They are attacking all zvigananda vari kuona kunzi vari kutetana nyika from all dimensions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, on the bell icon. Kirina Nindambira achiti shameless Oppah Muchinguri, who is not privy to the fact that your daughter Tanya has been in police conduct since RGM's days in power. Are there no dockets dating back to RG Mugabe's time? For how many times Tanya was arrested on drug peddling charges? Your daughter Tanya has been arrested several times for drug peddling, a druggy junkie that you defend while it's destroying our young generations. Tanya, even under ED's government, is dockets for the same charges of drug peddling or use and fraud charges. Tanya is a junkie that you cannot wash away, but a harsh reality you need to make peace with. Power is not divine, it is borrowed, and the people will reclaim it. The spirit of the revolution does not forget, and it does not forgive betrayal. Zimbabwe's soil is sacred. It will not curdle towards forever. The day of reckoning is near, and no uniform or title will shield you from the storm of justice. Oppah, your daughter Tanya will remain druggy junkie no matter how much you abuse power. Mashukuru kuda panguva ine achitaura aiwa naKerina Mjati. This message was very direct and powerful. Panguva iyi tiona kuti vana Kerina Mjati muchaona vatora mashoko awa vanhu vanonyatsoratidza kuti vakachaya, vari kunyatsokonzeresa chaos between these zvigananda, vari kususpect vachiti these guys vari kumisuse power. Amboridzai mafungiro enyu not kudi pamusoro pe-this message yadirectwa kuna Oppah Muchinguri. Pina comment section medu mafungiro enyu not kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.